Hi guys, it's Carmen with DiMaria Duo, and if you're like me, you really don't like cleaning your tub. I don't know why, I just don't really like cleaning it, and when I do, it's such a fight because I just don't want to do it. But with this handy tool right here, I'm hoping it's going to make it a little easier, so I'm going to do a demo. We're going to do a first test on this. I haven't used this product yet. Our friend sent this over for us to test out. I'm really excited to give you my honest feedback on it. So let's get into it. All right. So in the box, we have our poles. It comes with 8 different cleaning pads for all different types of applications, which are great. There's Velcro, soft material on the one side, and that's what adheres to the brush itself. You have a little aggressive brusher here, and we have these other smaller bristle brushes, which are great here, as well as a soft one. You could use this for like polishing or cleaning windows or marble or floor or whatever. And then we actually have the unit itself. So let's go ahead and put it all together. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have the power head here, which is where you're going to put your applications right there. And you just Velcro on. And you can either use it like this, or since we're using the tub, we're going to disconnect the bottom, which is also where your charge port is. And then you're going to go ahead and connect it directly to the bottom of the pole. We can screw this together, and check this out. This is an added bonus. Once this is together, you can extend it so you can stand up. So if you have an elderly person in your family and they need to clean, this is going to help them clean without having to bend over and hurt themselves. All right, so let's get set up. I'm going to move this out of the way, get my cleaning supplies, and we're going to clean this tub. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to hold down the power button. That's right, so it talks to you. So it has 3 different levels. So this is obviously off. There's 1, medium speed, you hear it talking to you. High speed, we're gonna leave it on high speed. I've already put some cleaner on there. All right, so first thoughts is this is easier than getting in there with a hand brush. I'm able to clean up and down the walls with no problem. I don't really have to bend over too much because it has the adjustable pole with it, which kind of makes life a little easier. I think overall we're doing a really nice job. It's a really tough bristle. It's going to be able to get into the grooves of the tub here. Oh, nice. And then to turn it off, you can go back down to 0 and then hold the power button and it turns off. And just like that, you can work on cleaning your tub, cleaning your floor, or cleaning anything you need to. Thanks again to our friends for sending this product over. We're excited to go clean the full bathroom and any other bathroom we can find because this is fun.